it become to be spicy.
Hi Gauthier, so first of all, thank you for accepting to participate in this more public performance review. We're getting to the end of your internship of 6 months. So first of all, because it's going to be filmed, can you talk a bit about yourself and what you did during this internship?
So I am in a second year of engineer school, and for this school I must do an internship, and I have worked on Tyto Robotics for this internship. I have worked on the calibration machine for the new product of Tyto Robotics, the Flystand 500.
And do you know what standard we're trying to achieve?
Yes, ISTM. It's
Yes.
very important.
Exactly. Well, that was a great answer, so let's start with the first wing then.
Okay.
So we have a sauce for it?
This is a sweet and sour sauce.
Okay. We'll try that. No, that's easy. We won't have problem with this
yes.
one. Yeah, pretty good. So now, second question. What were your objectives for this internship when you started?
So the objective of my internship, it was to create a calibration machine. I am on a mechanical school, so the goal was to improve my mechanical field, but over a different field.
Was there other things you've learned during the internship?
Oh, I have programming a lot for the control of the actuator, so all the different order to create my calibration machine and to have the to assembly. So it was like different part of my internship.
Okay, we can try the second wing now. What sauce is this going to be?
This is a Thai sweet and spicy sauce.
Okay, it's this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a good one. Do you find it spicy yet? No.
This one is good.
So, next question. What part were you most proud of during your internship? What would be your greatest achievement if you talked with a colleague when you go back with your colleagues at school?
So I think we need two things, because the first thing is the frame of the calibration machine, because it's very tall and it's taller than me, and when I see that, it's like wow. When you are in study or to try to become an engineer, you create like 3D design, you calculate a lot of things, but you don't imagine then the different size. So when I have see that, because now we have the frame, we have the calibration machine, and we start the different tests, it's like an achievement, and you say, oh wow, it's like a new step. And the second part, it's the control of the actuator, because all the document was in Chinese, and I don't speak Chinese. So it was very interesting, and it was like a different process to success the control. So the frame and the control of actuator.
Yeah, it's something I found during my studies. When you learn something in the books in school, being able to apply it means that you're really better at retaining it after, because you understand it, so you have an intuitive understanding. It's not just something you study and you forget, because now you integrated it really.
Yes.
Okay, well, that was pretty good. Let's go with the next wing. Which one is that?
This one is again a Thai hot sauce, more spicy savory.
Okay, we'll see.
It become to be spicy.
So next part's going to be a little bit for us. Would you have recommendations for Tyto Robotics? Things we could do better, we could improve or learn from in your internship?
I don't have any idea for this, because it was like all the people of Tyto was very open-minded, and so and the Tyto is a well company to improve yourself. So it's like I don't have any suggestion, because my internship was very well with Tyto Robotics.
And if you had a suggestion for your colleagues who would do, obviously you come from France, what would it be? What would you tell them before they come here?
Oh, so I think it's to write a lot of things because when you have a long project, you can forget to write. And after, when you must explain, it's like, oh, so yes, I can explain, but I forget this. And to can explain often in different people, like simple people, and say and simplify your project. So a good idea is to constantly describe your project and explain your project to be understandable for all. I think it's very interesting.
And last question, you can answer and then take your bite. Did you like your internship?
Oh yes, very well.
Okay.
Very.
Okay, so let's try this one. Which one is this?
This is just your standard hot sauce, saloon style. It's the one on the table in front of you.
Mm. Yeah, I think that's my best one up to now.
This one was more spicy.
Mm. You think so?
Oh yes.
No, let's add a little more then. Do you want some too?
Yes.
Okay, we'll try it.
Oh,
okay,
you are very generous.
Okay, let's try this. It's more like it, yeah. Well, thanks for this performance review, and thanks for accepting it to make it public. Is there anything else you want to say to our viewers, whether they're future interns or?
No, it was a nice chicken. Thank you for this moment, and it was very interesting to explain my task and my different job objective in Tyto Robotics.
Thanks.